But that's Liliana Naturals for amazing results. Okay. Now I'm moving into another area. So I won't call this part B, but I just did do another one. This is another skincare that I was going to try. Unfortunately, I did that a long time ago. It just got here. The JLO got here so fast. And let me just show you. It came, the outer box, and I always admire this. Chanel does this. Charlotte Tilbury does this. That when you open, like this is kind of like a pink shaded box, right? When you open it, the outer box is the inner box. So there's not two boxes. And the messaging's on the box. It says to be youthful and timeless at every age. You deserve skincare that works as hard as you do. Love JLO. And this is JLO Beauty. And I'll just show you. Obviously your packing slip comes in case you want to return something. Then it's got a thank you from her. Oh, let me just tell you this. Thank you for your order. We've got good news for you. Today we included the 1.5 ounce That JLO Glow and multitasking serum instead of the standard 1 ounce that you ordered. There's no additional fee, just added dose of limitless glow. For our future orders, please know that you will receive the standard serum in your kit. Please don't hesitate to visit jlobeauty.com and to chat with one of our beauty advisors. So obviously that's to get you hooked. And to thank you for the order. Then you have a little brochure here that talks to you about a guide on how to use this, which again, that would have been nice on the other one. And then this is what it looks like in the box. It's got these little guys instead of the peanuts. I'm not crazy about these, but it's better than having the peanuts. But of course, they have this little dust on them that I'm just going to wipe off. And does it matter? You bet it matters, because I just paid a lot of money and I've got this dust all over everything. And I will wipe it off, but look, part of it is the packaging. Is that beautiful packaging? Look at that gold and crystal. That is my style. I love that. I don't want anything on it, so I've got to go wipe it down real good. I guess you really should wipe down anything when you get it through shipping. I also, the only thing I don't like about the outer box being the inner box is now I'm going to have to go wash my hands when I'm through with all this. Just COVID-19, I do believe in washing your hands after you get something through the mail. So that other people have touched. Alright, so this is JLO Beauty, that Blockbuster Wonder Cream Miracle. Peel here too, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's just open it. I'm sure there'll be a protective. Yeah, there's a protective cover there. So you pull that off and the cream is below. It does seem to smell nice. It's very light. That may be because I'm not going to touch that right now. Okay, next to that is, there's 4 pieces in the kit, by the way, for those of you who are wondering. That Fresh Take. And this is an eye cream. Same packaging, really, really pretty. This looks very nice when it's sitting on your dressing table or your bathroom area counter. It just looks really elegant. And that does make me want to do it more. It makes me want to, you know, participate and do it. This looks like a lid. I don't know why they did that separate. I have no idea in the world why they would have done that separate, because it's the lid to this. And now that's got all that dust there. It's very pretty. My goodness. Y'all, this is beautiful, beautiful packaging. This is Tighten and Brighten. Directions: apply to dry, clean skin AM and PM and let absorb completely and dry down before moisturizing. So this is your serum. That JLO Glow. This is the size they were talking about that next time. This is the 1.5. Yeah, this is the 1.5 ounce. But as you go forward, it will only be the 1.0 ounce. This is a special for when you first join. So that's just a beautiful piece as well. But you always put your serum on and let it completely dry and really absorb into your skin before you do anything else. That's why I said serum and then the eye cream. Actually, I do the eye cream because I don't put the serum under the eyes. And I don't want to possibly get some of that on my fingers by accident when I'm doing my eye cream. So I would do eye cream first, then I would do serum and not touch where you put your eye cream. I don't put serum. You know, I would like to look and see what their thoughts on that. Do you put serum under your eyes? I don't. I don't, maybe you should. I don't have to look into that. Y'all give me your thoughts. Do you, if you use serum and eye cream, do you touch the place under your eyes, where your bags are, where your wrinkles are, with the serum, or do you just use the eye cream alone? So that'll be interesting to see. I think what this is encouraging is to do this first, all over, which I would imagine, does it say keep away from the eyes? See, outer box insert for warning. So I will look at that. And maybe we'll look at the little thing that came with it. So now you have the 3 pieces on your dressing table. Very lovely. I love crystal and brass features. Is what I have in my bathroom. I know it's old fashioned. I like it. And then I like to highlight with black cabinetry, diamond pulls on the drawers and stuff like that. So this fits perfectly with my kind of bathroom decor, what I like. I think there's nothing else in here. So we're going to close that up. As pretty as the box is, it says beauty has no expiration date, but do remember products do. And I think that's slightly tinted pink, and that's just very girly, and I like that. So, before I go wash my hands real quick, I will look at this and tell you step-by-step guide. Okay, it says first cleanse. I did not get that. So she obviously has a cleanser that I did not get. Okay, this particular kit that I got. No, I'm missing something. It almost looks like I'm missing 2 products, y'all, because I'm missing the gel cream cleanser and the big screen. 15 minutes before exposure. So this is another broadband moisturizer, because I got the Non-Stop Wonder Cream, I think, moisturizer. It's just 2 moisturizers, and I really actually wanted the one that had the SPF, and this has SPF 30, which is exactly what I would want. Then the Fierce eye cream, and the serum. So obviously you would cleanse first. Let's say that you did get that. I'm just, honestly, I feel like I'm missing something here. I'm going to have to look at the packing slip. Hold on. I'm going to do that right here with y'all, because I need to be able to tell you, did I just get 3-piece Full Star Power Duo and Eye Cream Entry. This includes the benefits of being on a subscription program. So, this normally would be $149.58 when you agree to be subscribed for all the products, and you can go and state what they are. Then, wait a minute. Okay, so it's $149.50, and you make it in 2 installments, so $74 is all I was charged now. But I'm still going to get charged the other amount, just in probably another month. Yep, in another month. So, the good thing about if you really like a beauty program is to get on a subscription, because you get a discount, and then you have the product coming to you on a regular basis. Because if you use it daily, you are going to use it up. The key is, if you are not liking it, you've got to remember to go back halfway through that period and say, I'm not liking it. Do you want me to return the unused portion, or do we just stop my subscription? And usually it's just they stop the subscription and you keep what you've used, especially in COVID days. But anyway, so the other piece of this would have been the cleanser. I got the multitasking serum. You do. Okay, this does seem to say that the serum would go in the eye area, because it says tip. Be sure that your serum is fully dried before you apply your eye cream and moisturizer. So that means that your serum even went under your eyes. So just be careful around your eyes about getting it too close to your tear duct or the lash line. Because what you got to remember is your eyelashes, what's the word? Not bleeds up. I can't think of words sometimes. It drives me crazy. It goes up. In other words, your eyelashes will, the oils and everything will pull that into your eyes. And they're made to kind of keep something away from your eyes, but when it's an oil or something like that, even if it gets on the tip of your eyelashes, it can get in your eyes. So just keep it down here, right down here. Don't get it where your eyelashes are going to hit, or your tear duct, or even out here. because that can wicking. It can wick into the corner of your eye as well. I feel like my makeup did that today. I didn't put any kind of powder on. Anyway, and then you do the eye cream. Then you do the Blockbuster Wonder Cream. And what I would have preferred to have done is this step 5, which is, so they gave you the middle steps. They eliminated the cleanser and the 30 broadband spectrum moisturizer, the big screen. This is not big screen. This is called that Blockbuster. Yeah, so that is, I wonder why she has 2. Nonstop Wonder Cream moisturizer. Protect, which is the same thing. It's a moisturizer, only it has an SPF 30. So out of all of that, next time in my subscription, probably I'll get the cleanser. If I do I'll try the cleanser. And I'm going to get this. And as my subscription goes on, I'm going to probably decide in here how much of this I want to keep. I may not keep the cleanser. I will probably keep the serum and the eye cream and this moisturizer. So we'll see. I'll let you know how it goes. So now I've got 2 product lines to try. Here's my recommendation. I just showed you in the other video where I was using Liliana. Is it Liliana? Yeah, Liliana Naturals. And this is JLO Beauty. Because that's a subscription one, I'm probably going to try that one first, because if I don't want it, I need to stop that subscription. And when I say that, I mean I would try this product line for 30 days, a whole month. Just use it for a month. If you don't like it, or even if you do, go ahead and try this other line. And then decide, what are you going to do? Are you going to keep the subscription, or are you going to keep on the other line? So, if you have any thoughts, please make comments below. Either way, tell me what you think. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye! I forgot to tell you, I started plugging this in and it's great. This was the Pure Up. I do like it.